Welcome back, students. Now today we shall start our syllabus with operations on real numbers. Okay. In previous topic we have seen that how real numbers are represented on the number line. In that we have seen how decimals are represented on the number line, and with decimals we have also seen how square root of decimals are represented on the number line. Now next topic is operation on real numbers. Now we have to deal with the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of real numbers. In that you know very well how to add, subtract, multiply and divide the rational numbers. Or I have also taken that revision in first video. So now we shall study what is or the operations on the irrational numbers. Okay. So see here, in this I will take some examples and I will explain. By taking examples, I will relate that irrational example with algebraic expressions. Okay. So you have to keep in mind that they will not be the exact answers, okay, examples, but I will correlate them. That will make you easier to understand. Okay, please see. First, we'll go for addition. 2√2 plus 3√2. Now see here, in algebraic expression we have seen that only like terms can be added, right? And what were the like terms? Like terms are with the same variable and their powers. अगर सेम वेरिएबल और पावर भी सेम होता है तो वही दो टर्म अपन ऐड कर सकते हैं. सेम इन दिस केस, जस्ट इन दिस देयर आर नो वेरिएबल्स. ओके, we have to assume something as variable, that I would like to say here. 2√2 plus 3√2. Okay. Now see here consider these as x. अगर ये ऐसा होता था 2x plus 3, ये भी क्या रहेगा x. I have told you that consider √2 as an x. Here is also √2, so x. Okay, so 2x plus 3x is 5x. 2x plus 3x is 5x. So in this manner, what will be the addition of these two numbers now? 2√2 plus 3√2 will be, what will be this? 2 plus 3, 5. 5√2. X was as it is. So here our variable is suppose √2. It is not √2 but suppose. Here our variable is √2. So 2√2 plus 3√2 is equals to 5√2. Second one, minus √3 plus √3 or plus 2√3. Here what is here variable? x. ये पूरा एक वेरिएबल हुआ x. √3, तो यहाँ भी √3 है तो यहाँ भी क्या रहेगा x. What is coefficient? 2. x plus 2x, but here minus sign is there, तो minus plus क्या होगा? Minus means here are like terms, so like terms can be added. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? फिर यहाँ कुछ नहीं है, मतलब here is 1, तो here will come minus 1 plus 2 √3. मतलब ये वेरिएबल में कोई भी चेंज होगा नहीं. It will be minus plus minus, sign of greater number, that is 1√3. You can write it as √3 also, right? Next, Third one. 3 root 8 or 3 root 11 plus 11 root 11. Okay. Here is also what? Here also in square root there are same numbers. Means these two are like. If they are like such, then add them. 3 plus 11, that is 14, and root 11 as it is. So in this way, if there are like sorts, then we can add them like this. Okay. Another example. 3 root 2 plus 4 root 3. Now, I have told you, suppose this is an x. यहाँ 2 है, यहाँ पे 3 है, तो ये x रहेगा क्या? नहीं, ये y हो जाएगा. तो इसको कैसा लिखते रहेगा in our language? 3x plus 4y. These two are unlike terms, so they can't be added. So here 3x plus 4y can't be added, so it will remain as it is. ये x जैसे कि वैसा ही रहेगा, no change will be there. Okay, understood? Again one thing is like term में और ऐसे अपन काउंट करते हैं, that I will give in next example. इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? 3 root 2 plus 4 root 3 as it is. Next example. Square root of 5 plus cube root of 5. What is addition? अब मैंने बोला था आपको यहाँ 5 है, मीन्स यहाँ पे x प्लस इधर भी रूट में 5 है तो x, लेकिन इसकी डिग्री क्या है? We also used to count in the like term what? Powers. Powers should also be same. So here power is यहाँ पे square root है, मतलब 1/2 है. यहाँ cube root है, मतलब 1/3 है. अगर ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो let it be. Right here square cube. Suppose यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 3 है. Variables are same, but they have different powers, so these can't be added. So ये as it is रहेगा. Square root of 5 plus cube root of 5. This will remain as it is. Okay. Next example. So what we have seen here, that for addition or subtraction of any two irrational numbers, there should be variable same. Variables is what? The value which is present inside the root, that should be same, and its power should also be same. Power means what? ये square root था, ये भी square root है. ये square root था, यहाँ भी square root है. This was also both square root of 11, square root of 11. That's why they can be added. Here square root, powers are same. But what about the variables? Here root 2 is there, here root 3 is there. Can't be added as it is. Here root 5, cube root of 5. Here variables are same. But what about the powers? 2, 3. Actually their powers will not be 2 and 3. It will be 1/2 and 1/3. Okay, so these two can't be added. They are same. That is addition. You want like term and they are not like term, as their powers are not same. Understand? Same thing will happen with addition, with subtraction. If I have taken some example like this. Three cube root of 4 So it will be 11 cube root of 4. Understand? So we can add or subtract all the irrational numbers if they are like. Next, multiplication. Multiplication and division are very easy. As we have seen in algebraic expression that any two terms can be multiplied. Okay? So if I am taking here 3 root 2 multiplied by 4 root 3. सपोज ये x y स्क्वायर है मल्टीप्लाइड बाय ये है x z या x z स्क्वायर. Anything you can take. In multiplication no matters. So what we are doing? We are multiplying directly x into a. इसका आंसर क्या होगा? ax y square into z square y square z square, like this we are multiplying. So here also we multiply like that only. So what will come here? Here in multiplication we used to multiply rational by rational and irrational by irrational. So 3 multiplied by 4 and in root what will come? 2 multiplied by 3. 3 4s are 12 and in root 6. 2 3s are 6. Right? So in this way we can multiply any two real numbers or we can say irrational numbers. 8 7 root 11 or 7 root 3 multiplied by 8 root 3. Now see here, I have told you now only that rational by rational and irrational by irrational. So what will come? 7 into 8 in root 3 multiplied by 3. Please see it properly. 7 8s are 56 in root 3 3s are 9 and further we can solve it simplified. 9 is the square root of 3, so it will be 56 multiplied by 3. So it will be 6 3s are 18, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16, 168. Okay. So in this way we can add, we can subtract and we can multiply and also we can divide in the same way the real numbers. Again one example of division I am taking. See it carefully. Nothing new is there. 6 root 5 or 6 root 15 divided by 3 root 5. So divide them. We can divide vertically or we can divide horizontally also. So what will come? 6 root 15 divided by 3 root 5. So we have told here in multiplication rational by rational and irrational by irrational. So what will come? 3 1s are 3, 2s are. तो यहाँ पे 2 इधर कॉमन आएगा 15/5. Both are square roots. That's why we have taken common. So 5 1s are 5, 3s are. So what come? 2 root 3. So this is the answer of division. So in this way we can add, subtract, multiply or divide all the irrational numbers by irrational numbers or by rational numbers. Now see, we have taken various examples. Again one example I will take. 3 root 8 upon 2 root 2. What will come? 3 by 2. Rational by rational. Irrational by irrational. 8 by 2. That is 3 by 2 multiplied. What is 8 by 2? Root 4. What is root 4? Simplify it. Root 4 is, square root of 4 is 2. 2 get cancelled. Answer will be 3. So we have seen 10 such problems which will depend upon the operations on real number. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now see what are the results. By that results we have to write some properties, or we will come to know some properties. Two irrational numbers added, answer was irrational. Again I have added two irrationals, answer was irrational. Irrational. Here I have added two irrationals, the answer was irrational. Here I have added two irrational, answer is again irrational. Subtraction of two irrational, again answer is irrational. Multiplication of two irrational, again answer is irrational. Multiplication of two irrational, here answer is rational. Division of two irrational, answer is irrational. Division of two irrational, answer is rational. Means again one different type of problem I will take that will clear one doubt. See here, first one I am changing. First was also correct, but it will plus root 2 minus root 2. Here plus minus minus root 2 minus root 2 is 0. So I have taken this problem that irrational plus irrational may also be a rational number. So here we came to know about 2 to 3 properties, that addition or subtraction of any two irrational number may be rational or it may be irrational. दो irrational नंबर की एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन ये रैशनल नंबर भी हो सकती है या इरैशनल नंबर भी हो सकती है, रैशनल भी हो सकती है या इरैशनल भी हो सकती है. मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन ऑफ टू irrational may be irrational or may be a rational number. So these two properties are very important, that addition and subtraction of two irrational numbers may be irrational or rational. Then multiplication and division of two irrational numbers can be irrational or a rational number. So here that we have finished how there will be an operation on the irrational number. So it is very important topic. This topic will be clear only if you will practice. Okay, so practice it too much. Okay, that no doubt should be there. I have explained you this. You have to consider as an algebraic expression. You have added algebraic expression. You have learned how to add, subtract, multiply and division algebraic expression in previous classes. तो उसको आपके आँख के सामने लाओ. उसमें अपन ने देखा था like terms can only be added or subtracted. अब like terms कौन से हैं वो देखो, बाद में उनको ऐड करो. अगर होते होंगे तो if they are not like terms then don't add them. Keep it as it is. This only will be the addition of two irrational numbers. Okay. So now next topic we will see in next video. Thank you.